Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can see all of someone repost on TikTok. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open TikTok. And once you open TikTok, so here you can scroll down. So let me show you onto my profile that there is a tab with a repost and I can see my repost videos. But let me show you some other profiles. Let me open this profile, but here you can see there is no option to see repost. As you can see, there is only option of like videos and the content page. But let me show you another profile. So let me check this profile, and here again, so currently you are unable to see someone like videos. So here you can see someone repost videos, but on my profile I am able to see my repost videos. Let me repost a video and show you. So click on repost, and here you can see a repost videos. So currently there is no option to see repost videos of other people, but you are able to see your repost videos in this tab if you get this tab. So this is the only method possible. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.